Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am creating this foxy eye makeup look. I saw a lot of influencers in the beauty community making this video, and it really inspired me, and it is really very simple. Like, every beginner can achieve this look, and it is so glamorous. I can't stop looking at myself right now. So without further ado, let's begin. So I have already done my base off camera. I'm zooming you in. So I'm using Maybelline New York to prime my eyes. I'm just using one dab of each. And I'm going to be blending it out with my fingers as usual. I really love how blending is so easy with fingers rather than taking a different brush and actually washing the brush out. I'm just making my task easier over here. You don't have to be this lazy like me, but just a thought out there. So once that is done, I'm going in with my Maybelline Nudes palette, and I'm going in with that shade. It's sort of a light coffee shade. It's almost the same shade as my skin color, and this shade is going to form like a base, and I want to give like a gradient effect to my other dark shadows that will be coming in place over there. So I go in and sort of place this as a transition shade. It's a very beautiful palette, and I think it's sort of a must-have palette for by the way, I used that fluffy brush to blend out my transition shade, and now I'm taking this dense brush and I'm taking that darker shade. It's a warm brown shade, and I'm placing it on the outer V of my lid. So I'm actually not creating a V, I'm fanning the color out till my eyebrows, and I'm being very lenient with my eyeshadows because I want my eyeshadows to go beyond my eyebrows, because I want the colors to be feathered out, and I go back and forth with my fluffy brush and the dense brush. So I come in with the transition shade, make it fan out, and you see the gradation that has been formed. Now I want to actually make a large wing of that color, that warm brown color. So I'm basically making this big wing, but I am actually not defining it, if you know what I mean. I'm not defining the wing, but what I am doing is similar to what you would do if you wanted to make like a wing. So I'm just not making it sharper enough, and whenever I feel like I've gone overboard, I come back with the transition shade and the fluffy blending brush, and I clean out the edges, and I basically blend out all the shades. I do not clean out the edges with tissue or anything. I come with the transition shade. Now I'm taking that gray brown color on a tapered pencil brush like so. It's a very dense brush, and I am placing that color on the outer part of my lid. Now this color is going to be a transition between my browns and my black wing that is coming in that place. It's going to be there in the future, so it's coming in that place. So I place this shadow as a further transition because I want a gradation of colors. I want it to go from black to brownish gray, and along the way I'm also going through the hollows of my eyes and making sure that my eyes look sculpted. Now I take this flat angled brush and I take the color and deposit it in a wing format. Now I want to be precise with this color, but not very precise. I just want the wing to stand out like the way it is doing right now. So I just want to make a slight wing and basically deposit the color in the wing format like I'm doing right now. I'm going to actually do the same on the other side as well. Once I'm done, I tightline my lids with that same black eyeshadow, and I also go till my inner corners to press the black pigment in my eyes. So you can see how I am pressing the pigment in. Now I'm taking that brush that we took for the grey brown eyeshadow. With that brush I am actually fanning out my inner corner as well, which I want it to be like an elongated one, but I don't want it necessarily very elongated, if you know what I mean. Correct it with my fingers and basically remove a lot of pigment, and this is how it should look. Now for the lids, I'm going with this golden shadow. It is such an awesome shadow and I decided to go in with a golden one. You can totally go in with a champagne color or some other color. I thought of golden because I'm using warm browns as my transition, so it would look really good with warm browns, and that's the reason why I went with a golden one. You can totally customize or improvise your look the way you like it. And then I correct my black eyeshadow again, and for my lower waterline I use this color icon from Wet n Wild. It's in skin color. Yeah, so to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners I use Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter, and I use it with my fingers again because fingers are the best when it comes to application, blending, everything. Look how perfect it looks. So now I'm going to bring in some color on my face. I'm going to use this bronzer from Sugar in Taupe, and I'm going to basically sculpt out my face, and I really love this bronzer. I cannot stress enough. I think I should do sort of a review for this because a lot of people are struggling knowing about this bronzer, but this is such an awesome bronzer. I love it. I use this every time if you've seen my previous tutorials. I also sculpt my jawline and my chin area. Also go in my temples properly and just get everything bronzed up. Now I'm using a blush from Sugar again. It's in the shade Peach. I guess it is Soft Peach. Yeah, it's a soft blush and it merges so well with this bronzer. It looks so natural. I am loving this. I instantly become happy when there is blush on my face. I don't know. Look at that smile I'm getting right now. Because of the blush, a lot of things change. Blushes make me happy. Okay, to highlight, I'm again taking my Maybelline Masterchrome and going back and forth for my cupid's bow and my chin, doing my nose. I also go in with my forehead because it looks very healthy actually, you know. It looks very healthy when there's like this shine on your face, on your forehead and your cheekbones. It looks very healthy. I love the way this look turned out. For lips, I am using this 002 Drape from Color Bar. I love this lipstick. This is like my favorite one, and I'm going to mix this up with my Miss Claire number 16. This is also sort of a purple nude sort of a shade. I love it. To end this look, I am using mascara. And if you guys happen to recreate this look anytime, please do tag me on Instagram, because I am always active there and I would love to see what you have created. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next. Bye bye.